Hey, what's up everybody? Just coming in to make a little car wash day cleaning video since the weather's starting to take a turn in Pennsylvania and get a little bit warmer, so I figured just make a little video out of it, washing both vehicles, the truck and the Jeep. So yeah, let's get this going. So what little bit of video there actually was, that's a wrap for this one. This one's clean. Got everything pretty well spotless. The wheels I don't really worry too much about because it's just kind of a pain and pointless. That's the point. So yeah, this is pretty clean to me. Now it's on to this one. Okay, well, we now finished washing the third vehicle that we had gotten, which was my parents' car. So this one's clean, that one's all clean, and my truck is all clean. So with that being said, I think that's the end of the video. I finally figured out how to use one of these foam cannons, which is a godsend if you really think about it. I'll leave a link for all this different stuff I used in the description, and that's a wrap. Have a good week.